Hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make my favorite snacks. Why is that become my favorite snacks? Well, it's full of vegetables, it's easy to make, and the ingredients are so easy to find. I like it when it's crispy, but it's not easy to make the crispy one. Today's video, let me share my mom's secret recipe how to make delicious crispy vegetable fritter. So, let's get started. Let's prepare the ingredients. Look, the ingredients are so easy to find everywhere, right? Let me shred the carrot first. I'm gonna use my shredder tools to make it faster. Cut the cabbage in half and then start by slicing the cabbage really thin. Oops, I forgot, we also need green onions for this recipe. Cut the green onions into thin slices. Next, mince the garlic. Now, here comes the easy part. Mix all the ingredients in the bowl and then mix well. Mix well. Place a wok or a frying pan at medium heat and pour enough oil to shallow fry the fritters. And then add in the butter. Carefully slide 1 spoon of the batter into the hot oil and flatten them using a spatula or a spoon. Let it fry at medium heat for around 4 minutes on one side or until golden brown. Then flip and fry for around 3 more minutes on the other side or again until golden brown. Once done, remove from the oil and place the fried vegetable fritters on a cooling rack. it up, of course, chili pepper is the answer. And ta-da! Here they are, my favorite crispy vegetable fritters! Yay! It's crispy! So, don't forget to try this recipe at home. Bye!